Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the lovely Wilson job. And this is right at the end of week 2. Pavers were a 5-day job. Pergola was a 5-day job. Of course, the materials got dropped off a couple of days before we started, as always. So everything's here. And as you see, another beautiful Florida red cypress pergola, stained with Jacobean stain. Nice 20 by 20 sand dune columns with tumbled caps. And we did a nice taupe coping on the steps. And we were going to put 3 lights, but I decided to add a couple of more lights for symmetry. If you guys know Shane and his designs, he loves symmetry. So we got a beautiful seating bench, full seating bench with tumbled caps, half radius, with a nice fire pit. Going to be a wood burning until we convert to gas in the future. So our chase pipes are run over here to our transformer, which powers our low voltage. And Mr. Josh Brown's going to be putting up a ceiling fan bracket and a outlet up here for some decorative lights. So this is what happens in about 2 weeks. So probably 2 weeks and a couple of days. So y'all stay tuned for the final pictures that will be going on. Probably Monday, we get the fan and some lights hung. So y'all have a blessed day. Once again, thank you for joining the family of Florida Coastal Contractors. Y'all have a blessed day.